Hey everyone, welcome back to Foreach. In this video, I will show you how to create Dropdown for social links with JavaScript. So let's start. First of all, I will declare constant variables to select the element with their class in the document and assign them to variables. First variable is menu element. I will select menu class using query selector. I will add 3 more variables to select classes using query selector and query selector R. Menu query selector all. Social lists. After declaring constant variables, I will add click event listener to the menu element. I will use toggle hide class social elements. If class is already present, it will be removed, and if it's not present, it will be added. Class list dot toggle hide. Let me remove this. Now I will add toggle rotate class menu element. Class list dot toggle rotate. I will start a loop that iterates over each element in the node list. For each loop, I will add click event listener to list element. Click. I will set inner HTML property of menu text element of list element. This will effectively replace the content of menu text with the content of the clicked element. I will add hide class to social list element. Class list dot add hide. Menu element class list dot toggle rotate. Our code is complete. Let's have a look on front end. As you can see, Dropdown is working fine. That's it from this video. Thank you for watching.